Well, if we do, it's just to fill the water bottle.
That's quite a view, isn't it? Behind me is the Colorado River and the Arizona Wing. In front of us, that's an actual rotor. That's out of the third generator down, and 3 are out of 3. We have that generator torn apart right now for maintenance. This is where they put those rotors while they're performing that work. That rotor's
There you go.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I brought you in, by the way. You were just kind of sitting over there, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to take on her. I'm going to bring her in a little bit.
All right, take care.
You're welcome, guys. Take care now. Got it? I think it's neat here. It's not a personal thing that I put in my home or anything, but